Hello guys, is your girl Liv Miller here once again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. I'm so sorry to have been absent for a very long time now. Your girl has been busy trying to meet up with one or two things. My sincere apologies, please. So for being absent, I decided to bring up this bonus class. I want to show you one big secret about this machine. Something majority of the persons making use of this machine doesn't know. It's gonna be something you will like, so just stay tuned and make sure you watch to the end. I promise you're going to be screaming at the end of this video. You're going to be like, oh my god, so this is it, this is what this is meant for. I promise you're gonna have fun with it. So you're going to get started immediately. Okay, firstly, I would want you to know that everything you see on this machine, all the nuts, can you see where the arrows are going? They have their various functions. Nothing on this machine is just there for fancy. The listing you can see here has its function. Everything you're seeing all over here has its function, and today I'm bringing to you one out of the many functions it has. So watch what I'm going to do. Firstly, I'm going to be placing my thread here at the second part of the stand. Then watch what I'm doing. Watch closely, please. I draw my thread this way. Okay, can you see that? Let me zoom closely so that you can see where I will be passing the threads now. I'm working on this part that has this red plastic, this last parts of the machine. So I'm going to, let me remove this thread that I have earlier. I'm passing the thread through this place. Can you see that tiny opening behind? I'll pass the thread this way. Sorry, I blocked the camera. Okay, so when you pass the thread from there, you make it pass into this hole. Can you see this hole? Yes. Then you pass it through the next opening, this second opening here. I don't know how I'll place my hand so I won't block the camera. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm trying to pass it through there. Then you pull it out from the other side. Are you seeing that? Okay, so this is what we'll have now. Just watch what I'm going to do next. Then I'm going to bring my reeler. Sorry, the reeler, I have a thread already in it. I don't actually have a reeler that is empty now, and I don't want to waste my thread. So I'm going to reel on top of this thread, the one I have already. After you roll it round a little that way, watch where I'm going to put it. Are you seeing this thing, the white thing that has that thing standing there? Then you put the reeler this way. Watch the direction of my thread. You press it down, then you press that. Okay, then the next you're going to do is to match here. I'm going to match on it. You know how we place our leg and you press it down with bits if you're trying to sew? So that is what I'm going to do now. Just watch. Watch. Can you see? Can you see? Are you seeing what is going on there? See, don't think this is all I want to show you in this video. There is more. There is more, and you have to watch to the end to see why. Watch closely. Let me bring the camera closely. Can you see? It's rotating the reeler. Can you see it's rotating? Can you see everything is moving? The thread is equally moving. Are you seeing that? So this is how to reel using this 2-lion industrial machine. So this is the function of this part of the machine. Don't think that this parts of the machine is just there for fancy. No, the manufacturer puts it there for a purpose. Watch closely. Do you see what happened now? When the thread is done reeling, that part will just go off on its own. It will push it away. Can you see? It cannot clip, it cannot stand again. So when it goes up there, it's trying to tell you it's done reeling. Your reeler is filled. Okay, then you bring it out this way. Just watch what I'm going to do next. You bring it out. Can you see? It's real, so neat, so tight, so interesting. As in, this is so unique. The manufacturers actually did a very good job. So after reeling, what you're going to do is you cut it off, set aside. Just watch this part, what I'm going to show you next. This machine is actually industrial in all ramification. It's making everything so easy. It's making everything so simple. You cannot believe what next I'm going to do now. Like literally, you don't have to be threading all the time you want to reel. See, I'm trying to roll back the excess threads I pulled out. Can you see the excess thread I have there? I'm not going to remove everything. Just watch and see what I'm going to do. Just watch and see. See, can you see the little thing remain? I don't want to be wasteful. Then you cut, leaving that little portion of the thread behind. Okay, then you pick this one at this side and pass it into this place. Do you see the function of this little thing on your machine? So whenever you want to reel another color of thread, for instance, if I want to reel this red thread, you just put it there, draw out the thread this way. Are you seeing what I'm doing? You draw it out this way. Remember, you have this little portion of the black one. It's meant to be just there. All you have to do is now pick up the two of them and tie them together. You pick it up and tie. You pick up and tie. Okay, let me just tie it and show you. I don't have any other empty reeler. All my reelers are already reeled. They are all filled up. So when you do it like this, all you do is you draw it out this way. The black is off and you're having all red. No matter the color you want to reel, you cut out the part that has the black. Get your reeler. The same way, you wrap it around like 1, 2, 3 times. Let me cut off this black. It's filled, that's why it's being difficult. The reeler is filled. You roll it like this, like 2 or 3 times. You put it exactly the way I showed you earlier. You press it down, then you clip these parts and repeat the same process. So this is the easiest way of reeling a thread. It's very easy, it's simple. You don't have to stress yourself. Just place your leg on the mat. And whenever you're done, remember to return it this way. Then you cut off this other part, leaving a little like this. Just you leave it like this. Any color you want to reel at it, and see the good thing. You're not touching this other thread you're sewing with. You're not removing it. Okay, you're not removing it. It will be there. That means whenever you want to reel, the thread you're working with is there, and you can simply reel for your work. Okay, so the next tutorial I might be bringing, can you see how I threaded my machine? This machine, there is actually a way you have to thread it, and most persons are missing it. Most persons are not threading it correctly. The way mine is threaded is so professional that my sewing is always sweet. So please do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, as I am going to be giving you tutorials back to back. I might be bringing next. If you want me to, how to thread your industrial machine professionally, not just the regular way. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting the like button.